What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mend and Glow Flooring. I am Josh Gerard, and Jillmar and I are back here in Londonderry, New Hampshire to do this two-car garage. I'm very excited for this residential project. We're going to do a decorative flake floor for this customer. I can't wait to see how it looks. Please stay tuned and let's check out this installation. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. And we just wrapped up here at this beautiful residence here in Londonderry, New Hampshire, and this floor came out gorgeous. It's a beautiful flake blend from Leggari Products called Winter Cabin. It looks absolutely great. The floor's got a nice, beautiful UV stable top coat. It's gonna last this couple a very long time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, hit that bell. And if you like what you see, also please leave a comment because they definitely help us build better content for this channel. Thank you so much again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.